In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve video quality in Filmora AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a flat or noisy clip and make it look cleaner, sharper, and more polished using Filmora's built-in AI tools, all without getting lost in complicated settings. Start by opening Filmora. Give it a second to load so all the AI features initialize properly. For the smoothest experience, it helps to close other heavy apps in the background so Filmora has enough memory to process your video quickly. Create a new project. This sets up a clean workspace just for this edit. If your footage is a specific size or orientation, make sure the project matches your clip so you're seeing an accurate preview as you work. Now import your video and drag it down to the timeline. You can bring it in from the media panel or simply drop it straight onto the timeline. If you have multiple versions of a file, choose the highest quality one you have so the AI has more detail to work with. Next, double-click the video on the timeline to open the edit tools. This opens the inspector where you can control everything from color to clarity. Take a moment to ensure the preview window is set to a reasonable quality so you can actually see the improvements as they're applied. Scroll down to the Enhance section and click Generate. Filmora AI will analyze your clip and automatically apply a series of improvements designed to lift overall quality. You might notice clearer edges, reduced noise, and better contrast. Depending on your system and clip length, the analysis can take a few moments. Just let it finish. Once it's done, play a short portion of your video to evaluate the results. Look at fine textures like hair, fabric, or foliage, and check darker areas where noise usually hides. You can also turn on Auto Enhance, then adjust it to taste. This gives you a single control to fine-tune the strength of the effect. Start in the middle and move the slider slowly. If you push it too far, you might see halos, over-sharpening, or unnatural skin tones. Dial it back until faces look natural, text remains crisp without glowing edges, and the background stays clean. If your clip is low light, a slightly higher setting can help, but keep it subtle so the image doesn't look plastic or smeared. That's it. Open Filmora, create your project, import and place your clip, double-click to access the tools, generate AI Enhance, and refine with Auto Enhance as needed. Take a quick preview pass and you're done. Enjoy your improved video quality.